Hello, this video will walk you through setting up your AHT Wi-Fi hub to function with your iPhone's Siri capabilities. Start by selecting the connector app from your menu. Once in the connector app, make sure you're at the correct location. In this case, I'm at Mi Casa. And make sure that all the devices you want to control by Siri are listed. Next, go to Scene, that's the middle tab. In the Scene tab, select on Add New Scene. Select Name. And this is the actual words that you will use to connect to Siri. In this location, I'm going to say entry, doors, down. And select Done. You can select a picture, or you can take one. In this case, I'm just going to select one of the stock photos and add a new device. I want to control shutters 1, 2, and 3. So I will select them from here and select what I want to happen. In this case, 1, closed, done. Next, I'm going to add 2, closed, done. And finally, 3, closed, done. Once you've added all the devices that you want to control with the phrase entry doors down, select Done. Now you have to go back into the entry doors down scene and select the little settings gear from the left. And click on Add to Siri. As you can see from the screen, when you say entry doors down, Siri will now act that scene that you programmed into the connector app. Add to Siri and test. And that's all.